Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss on how you can prepare for designing an Azure data solution. DP-201 focuses on solution design, and how you would choose the best solution for the job when given a set of requirements to work with. So let's get started. Here you can see the list of topics we are going to cover in this video. We will start with the basic information required to begin your preparation, and then move on to the study materials and important topics which will help you in your preparation. Designing Azure Data Solution exam measures the ability of the candidate to accomplish the technical tasks like designing data processing solutions, designing Azure data storage solutions, and designing for data security and compliance. Candidates who apply for DP-201 exam must be able to design data solutions using Azure services like Azure SQL Data Warehouse, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Azure Blob Storage and Azure Stream Analytics. Type of questions. Below are the type of questions. 1. Single choice based on the scenario. 2. Multiple choice questions. 3. Arrange and write sequence type questions. 4. Case studies with multiple questions. 5. Complete the architecture. You have to drag and drop the right solution in the given architecture diagram. 6. Questions that cannot be skipped. There will be at least 3 questions in a sequence where you have to select from yes or no. These questions cannot be skipped or re-answered afterward. Course outline. 1. Designing Azure Data Storage Solutions, which comprises of 40 to 45% weightage in exam. 2. Designing Data Processing Solutions, which comprises of 25 to 30% weightage in exam. 3. Designing for Data Security and Compliance, which comprises of 25 to 30% weightage in exam. Skills to demonstrate. Candidates have to demonstrate solution designing skills using the following Azure services: Azure Blob Storage, Azure Cosmos DB, Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory, Azure DevOps, Azure Stream Analytics, Data Lake Storage, SQL Database and Azure SQL Data Warehouse. Now that you are aware of what you will be learning, let us take a look into how you can pass it easily. 1. Study material. Study materials are one of the most important and fastest way to achieve your goals. Combination of various sources is the most recommended. 2. Labs on GitHub. If you are someone who learns quicker by practically doing the tasks, then performing the questions on this site can help you link the material found on the above sites. 3. Exam practice questions. Nothing can prepare you better for an examination other than giving mock examinations for the same. Sites like Test Prep Training give you enough materials, question banks and practice tests at affordable rates to help you prepare for the test in every possible manner. 4. Monitor your progress. Normally it should take you a couple of weeks to study for this course, so it is important you keep giving practice tests at regular intervals, and keep a record of your progress. 5. Focus and commitment. Since this is a course that requires theoretical knowledge as the major base, it is important that you do not lose your focus and commitment while preparing for this examination and while giving the examination. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.